Imagine accessing thousands of dollars in free funding to elevate your business without the burden of repayment. Sounds incredible, right? Today, I'm unveiling the top grant databases that can connect you to these opportunities. Plus, stay tuned as I introduce you to a platform that streamlines this process, making your grant search effortless. Let's dive in. Navigating the world of business grants can be daunting. Fortunately, specialized grant databases have simplified this process by compiling extensive lists of funding opportunities tailored to diverse business needs. 1. Grants.gov is the U.S. government's central repository for federal grant opportunities. It offers comprehensive listings with access to over 1,000 federal grant programs across various agencies and a user-friendly interface with features like downloadable forms and email notifications to enhance usability. While it's a valuable resource, the vast array of listings can be overwhelming, and it primarily focuses on federal grants. 2. GrantStation provides extensive databases with information on private and government grant makers and strategic resources, including tools for developing grant strategies and writing proposals. 2. Access requires a subscription, which might be a consideration for some businesses. 3. Instrumental integrates grant discovery, research, and tracking in one platform. It offers personalized grant matching, aligning opportunities with your specific projects. The comprehensive database includes federal, state, and foundation grants. The platform's advanced features come at a higher price point, which may be a factor for smaller businesses. 4. GrantWatch lists thousands of current grant opportunities for nonprofits, businesses, and individuals. Features include detailed grant listings, which provide comprehensive information on available grants, and email alerts that notify you about new opportunities. A subscription is required to access detailed information. While 1 and 2 are valuable databases, they often require extensive time and effort to sift through numerous listings. Enter grantfunds.com, a platform designed to revolutionize your grant search experience. Why does grantfunds.com stand out? Well, it boasts the largest and most comprehensive funding database in the USA, ensuring you have access to a wide array of opportunities. Its intuitive search functionality, featuring a seamless and user-friendly interface, allows you to navigate thousands of opportunities effortlessly, saving you valuable time. Each funding opportunity comes with clear synopses, enabling you to quickly assess suitability. And with flexible subscription plans, whether you're just starting or looking to expand, grantfunds.com offers packages tailored to your needs, including weekly and monthly access options. Grantfunds.com simplifies the grant search process, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Ready to unlock the funding potential for your business? Here's how to get started. First, explore grantfunds.com to discover the perfect funding opportunities tailored to your business needs. Then, choose your subscription plan that aligns with your goals and gain immediate access to thousands of grants. Stay connected by following grantfunds.com on all social media platforms for the latest updates and grant opportunities. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into securing business funding. Empower your business with the resources it deserves. See you in the next video.